You know, I don't have kids. I don't actually know the full shark song, but basically we're here to open up and see what's inside my BoxyCharm. So if you want to see what's inside, hang tight. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me, for clicking. My name is Sarah. If you are new, if you are returning, thanks so much for clicking as well. It means so much to me. Welcome back, and I hope you will really enjoy the video. And if you are staying around, hey, make sure to hit down there to subscribe and make sure you ring that bell so you never miss any of my future videos. But let's hop to it and just see what's inside, yeah? Okay, so I did just already like break the seal just to see what's inside. As you can see, not gonna be doing anything try on. We're just gonna see what's inside and see what we think about it. Of course, I got my card for the month. The important stuff is on the inside. So first up, we have a Kate Somerville product. They branded it K, like KR, like right here, like KX, like an RX type of thing. So it looks like we have, it's a biomimicking peptide serum, and this sucker retails for $98. So I would suspect that it should be quite effective. I would hope so. If something's going to be cost that much, it better work. I'm probably not going to try this myself. I might pass it on to a friend, or maybe like, I don't know, sell it. I'm not sure. But I have switched over to a clinical skincare regime, so I'm not really using any new skincare right now. I'm really gonna focus on just using what I'm currently doing to see how it's working. So I'm just gonna stick with what I got, but this is a really nice item to include. Otherwise I would have been super stoked to get that. Okay, what's up next? Luxii Beauty. Ooh, this is really cool, you guys. It's a Luxii Beauty sponge set, 3-piece set. It says bake, contour, and detail complete sponge set. So this is what we look like. It says so a detail blender. Obviously that's going to be the smallest one. Precision, and then there's a powder. I'm not really sure which one you would call which. I'm assuming it's in order, so it would be detail, precision, and powder blender. And I assume you would get them wet just as you would most regular sponges. So that will be exciting to use. It retails for $40. You know, I don't know. I mean, I didn't know Luxii did sponges. I love their brushes. So I think this is going to be a really good piece to have. Next, we have an Anamika item. And this is the Anamika Supernova Moisture and Shine Cream. So it's a leave-in that detangles, and you can use it on dry flyaways. And it's also a heat protectant, so that's awesome. I think that's something we could all always use more of, probably. You know, I'm really bad at using heat protectant, you guys, to be quite honest. And it's something that I really need to be serious about improving. I wonder what this smells like. Let's see. Oh, that's nice. I wouldn't mind having that in my hair. I'm excited about that. That's cool. Okay, next we have a 5-piece brush set. Yay! Let's take them out. I'm not gonna take them out all the way because I might not keep them for myself because I have so many brushes. In fact, I'll card up here my brush declutter video that I recently did, and it looks like, I mean, I definitely have brushes that look like all of these already, all of these same shapes nearly. This one actually is a little bit unique, but this is what they look like. We've got like a shader brush, we've got a smudgy brush. Well, we got a couple of smudgy brushes. I mean, I'm just calling them that. You can do what you want with them, of course, you know, but got a big blendy brush, and then we've got a liner brush. So super nice, 5 pieces. Who doesn't want more red brushes? The only thing is I'm trying to minimize what I have. Keeping all of this doesn't really go along with that, but I enjoy passing things on. Anywho, okay, so a last item up, we have this Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 correcting primer. It's the Energize and Rescue version, I guess is what you call it. And it says it's with aloe, coconut water, and probiotics. That is really, really cool. I'm just gonna crack this open. So it's I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand here. You can smell some of that coconut. That coconut's really important to know because some people are allergic or sensitive to coconut things, so beware of that. But this is like really lightweight. Yeah, you hardly feel it. And oh yeah, and it's silicone free. That is superb. That is all that I got in my box. Whoop. So the grand total is $207.95. You know what, for given the cost of the box, you get so much for what you pay for. And I mean, you're getting these items at like a huge discount. Even so, even when there's like something maybe you'll never use or you just don't like, you've still saved so much money. So love this box. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. That's where we're gonna leave it. Just keep it short and sweet. If you enjoyed and had fun with me, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and make sure you ring that bell as well. That way you never miss any of my future videos. Until later, until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Stay well, stay blessed. I just need to